Hey everybody, and welcome back to my vlog. What is a vlog? It's a video blog. My name is Sue and I am from OML Embroidery, and today we got some embroidery mail. This was last month's All Access from Anita Goodesign and it was awesome. I still have it out on my desk. I still have pages marked. There's a lot I'm going to stitch on this, but this one came in, so we are going to open it. Now I'm sitting here with my daughter Beatrice, and she gets very excited too because she likes to pick out things that I can do for her from the Anita Goodesign book. She does help me find the threads, but you know, it's fun. So say hi, Beatrice.
Hi.
There we go. That's Beatrice. She looks like me. I don't know if you sound like me. Do you?
No, I don't think so.
You have my sense of humor.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Well, unfortunately, teenager be gone. All right, so I'm struggling a little bit to open this. Stop it. I can open my own Anita Goodesign. Thanks. Fun. Yeah, you can help. Bee's gonna help. Ooh, look at it.
Ooh.
Oh my. Celebrate your 15-year anniversary. Well, first of all, I love the color. That's kind of, there's a little bit of glare. Look at that. That's spectacular. You could almost frame that. Yeah. That's cool.
I thought it was a picture at first.
Nope, they're 15 years. Can you believe that? No. 2018. So, we're going to go through it. People like to see the back first, but I'm going to go through it. There are special things in this one that are only going to be released for the All Access people. Again, I absolutely love the book. I consider this an idea, a book of ideas, and you have all the information in one. If you see, I'll show you guys the end. But it's so much fun. I'm telling you, ideas, colors, fabrics, everything. This is a happy day. Release radar. October's All Access has treats and tricks. Embroidery tricks. Okay, I'm liking that. That is gonna be my favorite. Chalkboard. I've seen people stitching these. You like that?
I love that?
You like the colors on it?
Yeah.
What would you put it on?
Honestly, I would just like frame it like that.
You want it on a picture?
And I would have it up in my room.
See what happens. See what happens?
It's on a pillowcase.
Okay, nice on a pillowcase. Yeah. What a great idea, huh? I love Anita Goodesign.
We have enough of those patches. We're okay.
I like this.
Ooh.
Oh, I really like that. Oh, your sister will love that.
We need that for Sam.
Okay, this is going to be a lot of stitching for mommy here. Okay, love this. Anita Goodesign Express, so they're just smaller projects. So these are like mug rugs, it looks like.
That's a really
Thanksgiving. Cute. Canadian Thanksgiving is coming up in like 2 weeks, so I think I need to get stitching, maybe.
Yeah.
All right, so moving. I like them.
We need some fall things. We have too much Christmas.
Too much Halloween.
Okay, no, we need more Halloween.
We always
Best
need
time of the
more
year.
Halloween, I know. Oh, yeah. I love it.
Ooh.
15-year celebration.
This is quinceañera.
Ah, quinceañera celebration. I love Anita. 15 years and counting. 15.
Those
I
are
like
so
those.
cute.
Yeah, I actually really like the style of them.
I think that applies to you. 15 years and still stitching.
That's pretty close to my career,
Yeah.
isn't it? Okay, here we are. Christmas blackboard quilt. Oh, boy. Oh, come let us adore him. 'Tis the season to be jolly, calm and bright, warm wishes.
Okay,
I love that.
Can you make this and then we'll replace it with the Halloween one only for like one day for Christmas?
For Christmas Day.
And then put the Halloween one back up.
I'll think about it.
Halloween or Christmas.
I'm probably not going to do it. I know it's a blackboard design, but I'll probably have to do it in my own style of fabrics.
Oh, you have a bunch of funky Christmas fabrics.
I do. I have a ton, so. Although, you know, it looks really good. I know. All right, moving on. All right, so design size guide. So they've added a new one. I don't know if you guys have noticed. It's a new one. So AAA, so AAA will save you. Big designs. So they've added a new one. AA is 9x9. A is 8x8. I tend to do the A ones, but you know what? Now that it's open, I have a couple of hoops that'll suit it. And then we go smaller. So 5x5 is the smallest you can get. I'm just about to get a 6x6 hoop for McDreamy. So that explains all the sizes that you're going to use. And this is all in, you know, every one. It tells you at the end. So
I really like, you can see the highlights, like the colored highlights better.
yeah, should we show that
close.
clearer?
I just really like the red in the background because it's really fine and it looks,
Yeah.
it's really nice. It looks like fancy calligraphy.
It kind of does, doesn't it? And actually the one below is white and
Yeah.
it looks even... Oh, okay. Okay, so this one's outlined, shadow outline. That's the one that Beatrice likes. And let's have a look. Yeah, you can see that one better. See on the Joy? Doesn't that look great? What a spectacular effect. And super easy to do too. Okay, I like all of these. I like that one. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Walking in a winter wonderland. Okay, you shovel. Yes, if you like the snow so much. I like this one for when they go back to school. I sing that every year since Beatrice started school when she was 3 years old. It's the most wonderful time. Get lost, Pete. To the world, joy, peace on earth, sleigh bells ring. I like this one because I like the candy cane. All right, moving on. Moving on.
I like the
Deck the halls.
Maybe you should change that and write Shrek the halls.
Shrek the halls. Copyright, copyright. You're gonna get me demonetized, Pete. Thank you. I can edit that out.
The Shrek.
I'll leave it in.
Okay.
That's fine. Jeez.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So these are confetti Christmas coasters, and there's 10 designs. I kind of like them. I actually like the penguin guy. He's pretty
really
cool.
Cute.
And see, the really cool thing about this magazine is that you see the designs that you like, and here's all the instructions, here's materials, here's thread colors. I love it. And then nice pictures, nice big pictures of the coasters. And Beatrice apparently really likes that one. Mommy's gonna be pretty busy. I kind of like, oh, the presents are nice.
Those are cute.
And I always love stockings. That's fun too. And step-by-step instructions. Every little piece of instruction that you need to do, cutting out,
little tips.
taping down, tips.
And
Yep.
mistakes.
Common mistakes. See, I like that. That's kind of new. Carefully trim any excess tulle. If it rips, the confetti may come loose. Yeah, okay. We'll work on that.
That's
I
awesome.
like that. And the yellow tips you can see just down at the bottom. Okay, so awesome. Ooh, coming soon. Oh, you like that?
I love
You'll be
cats.
feline with these kitty cuties. That I like. Negative space is actually one of my favorite things to do. I'm going to enjoy that. I hope they have a whole bunch of them. This is
that-
gorgeous.
Whoa.
That's gorgeous. So they're not included in this
No, it's
issue. Landscapes, it's called. All right, I
pretty.
look
It's coming
forward to that.
soon.
Oh, crazy quilt Christmas shapes. Oh my God, I love crazy quilting. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Anatomy of the design. So it talks a little bit about how to do the crazy quilts. And of course, you get your full instructions on how to do it. Oh,
I like the bag. That is really, really cute.
isn't that cute right there? That's what she's talking about.
Oh, and
Flip it.
It's reversible.
Yep. Okay. And gingerbread. You're gonna get me in trouble.
sorry.
Beatrice. Oh, okay. I like the wreath too. Oh, and I like the stocking. And okay, the present. Oh, and the Santa hat and the bell with the big red bow. That's one of my favorite things to do around the house is a big red bow. Oh, ugly sweater.
Ooh.
Sleigh.
I love ugly sweaters.
Sleigh. Oh my goodness.
snowman.
There's so many. I love it. Okay, love it. And snowman and cardinal and poinsettia. Oh, and Santa himself. All right, I'm gonna be doing a lot of work. Christmasville. Oh my God, look at how cute that is on a sweater.
I think we need that.
I think we need that. See, I'm gonna be super busy. Ooh, which one would you pick though, B?
Oof.
Look, there's so many. Oh, I like that one. I like that one.
I think I like that one best.
Awesome. Okay. Hey, there you go. Dear Santa. These are awesome. Isn't that cute?
Oh, it's a little, is that a little pouch?
Is it a zipper
Oh
pouch?
no, it's just an embroidery line. That'd be a really cute pouch.
That is
Some letters
really
in.
cute. Oh. Do not open till December. Oh,
That's
yeah,
so
with a
cute.
snap, so it's an envelope.
Oh.
Alright, that makes it... Oh, yeah, look at that.
Ooh.
That is so cute
I want
to set up.
fabric envelopes.
Bee wants everything. We literally do sit and look through the books together. Oh, snowman.
Pretty much every month.
North Pole, Alaska. Actually, don't they always put North Pole, Canada? And
Well,
the postal
here.
code is ho ho ho?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, here isn't Anita American though.
Yeah, North Carolina. Santa's Workshop. Peppermint Lane. I suppose that's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, these are so cute. Gonna have to make one. Stefano. Employee Spotlight.
That's cool.
How cool is that? Oh, here we go. Here we go.
I've
Pumpkins.
been waiting for.
Fall stuff. Do you like scarecrows? You like that one. That's cute.
Little chicks. They're
That's
so
cute. Oh, here we go. This is what we were looking at. That's a great idea, actually, to easily frame your work is with a hoop. It's an old-fashioned kind of embroidery hoop if you're doing it by hand. But easy to do. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I'm doing that one. I don't know what I'm doing it on. I love the apples and
They're
mushrooms.
cute. And those are, I mean, you kind of have to do
Leaves.
that because Canada looks like a maple leaf.
Kinda does. Alright, yep. Okay, this is what we were looking at the beginning.
Ooh, those are
Pumpkins.
cute.
Okay, and the leaves. I'm gonna do something fun with that. So, more instructions. See, this is what I like too, is these are all the thread colors, and I absolutely love Floriani thread, so it makes it really easy for me. I don't have the whole collection, but I have quite a few. So if I want to do something with the exact same colors, it's easy, and I like that. Or if you want to come up with something completely new, you can do that too. I like this. Happy
Yeah.
Harvest.
Turkey bird.
Turkey bird. And then they give you instructions on exactly how to make it, which is really cool. Look at all the instructions. You could figure it out, couldn't you, Beatrice?
Yeah, probably.
Even sewing stuff. That's what I like about it, because I'm okay at the sewing. I need a little bit of help, and this is the kind of help I need. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, the beauty of fabric knits. Oh, merging a design onto Bubba. Alright, Bubba the giraffe. Okay, I like Bubba. Bubba's cute. Alright, and all the instructions and how to merge everything on and stitch them out. Nice.
That's
Lots
so
of good
cute.
information and learning. Coming soon. Nice.
That's so cute.
I love the snow globes. Oh, penguins.
Ah.
Yeah, they're so cute. Oh, look at them. They're so cute.
What do you get, okay?
I like the sparkly in the balloon there.
Is that like fabric or thread?
Fabric.
It's pretty.
Oh, the big bubbly sweater. This is what Canadians look like, by the way, in winter. Maybe not. Maybe not so
Unfortunately.
white, but maybe. Images are very powerful. Yes, they are.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
That's
my
gorgeous.
goodness. Wilson combines his well-known mastery of intricate embroidery art with new experimentation in form and concept.
That's gorgeous.
Well, that's absolutely amazing, isn't it?
Oh, it's for Gucci.
Holy cow.
Oh.
That's amazing. Okay, this is what we were talking about for your sister. She would like pictures of these in her university dorm.
Yeah.
Aren't they lovely?
They're gorgeous.
All the different colors of green.
Okay, I have to come up with names for them.
I know.
Because I already have names for her other ones. So.
Coming soon, embroidered dots. Yes, please. That's awful cute. Oh, look.
Ooh, I still want that.
Easy to make a banner. Yeah, I'll make that for you. Easy to make a banner. Okay, so step by step on how to do the balloons. And bigger pictures.
Or even prettier up close.
Yeah, you can't beat the pictures up close like this. Oh, aren't they gorgeous? You can see, this is a full page one. You can see every stitch. There's the one Beatrice really, really likes. You like the colors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like it's the
Sketched.
hand-sewn embroidery. And
Yep.
I really like that. It's really pretty.
Okay, so at the end, this is where we have all of the instructions, and it tells you the sizes, and it tells you the name of it, so it's easy to find on the disc that's at the very end. I have a disc right there. And it tells you the sizes, and it tells you each step that you're going to do, each thread color. And then you can just look back and find the instructions for it. So, I'm going to be doing those just for fun. Good for scrap fabrics. It's amazing. So everything, some of them, like Crazy Quilting has a lot of steps on it. So this makes it really easy. And don't be afraid to write in your book. I have friction. I don't have one here. I used to. I have friction pens that, like, I will take notes on stuff. If you do something, oh, thank you. If this is a friction pen, I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I actually write in my books because look, you can do that. And it's an erasable pen. You see that? You can't press too hard because it'll leave an indent. But feel free, if it's going to help you out, feel free to, you know, mark on stuff, like check mark every step you've gone through. And of course, because it's a magazine, it folds up nicely, and you put that beside your machine and check mark everything. You won't get lost. I like that, and I didn't have to print anything, so I also like that because I print out all instructions, and with these books, I don't have to. So you can get a quick overview of all the things, plus all the colors, plus all the sizes, and then go back and do the steps for them. I think Beatrice wants me to make an envelope.
Yes. I will bring essays to school in those envelopes.
To give to your teacher? Alrighty. Alrighty. Thinking outside the box. So all the way to the end, everything is in it. And there's your balloons, Beatrice. I think we'll have fun doing that. And then right at the end, you get your CD. I sometimes put them back in the book, but I have a storage. So they're all marked. You can tell the month. I don't want them to get damaged or, you know, whatever. I put them at my desk in a book, and if I need the desk, I can just pull it off. And here is on the back, I'll have to put a picture of this up as the thumbnail, but you can see, even though we've already looked at them, if you want to find out if what's in here, you just look at the back and you can get a quick look at it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think there are quite a few things in here that I'm going to be stitching out for Beatrice, and look at that. Oh, so good. You can see all the detail because the pictures are so big.
So pretty.
Isn't that neat? So thanks everyone for watching. Thanks for tolerating my spawn, Beatrice. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, she's going to be all teenager on me. That's funny, Bea. So thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to
like and subscribe.
Don't you hear me say that 100 times a day?
Yes.
Yes. If you like this video, to let me know that you want more videos just like this. We have classes, we have quick tips, we have stitching, we have Creative Kiwi, we have everything. So thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Say bye, Bea.
Bye.
Bye. She's new. We're working on her. All right. Bye.